The
Fourth
police,
Amendment?
the police can't search you or seize your property without probable cause. And probable cause is a legal term that basically means that the police have to have a very good reason for why they're trying to search you or take your property away from you. And if they don't have that, no matter what they find, an attorney can later challenge the prosecution in your case. And if it turns out that the police illegally obtained the evidence against you, then the judge will throw it out and basically your case will be dismissed. A question that comes up very often is, what should I do if I'm in a situation where a police officer is asking me questions or wants to search my car or search my house? And I know that I have rights, but what are they exactly, and what should I do in this situation? So the most important thing for people to understand is, as soon as a police officer is involved with you in a situation like that, they're asking for your information, they're asking you questions, they've already begun an investigation and you're a suspect. And so what you do is going to have an impact on what happens from that point forward. The best thing that you can do is be polite and cooperative, but not to give them anything that they don't already have. That means not answering questions. That means asking for an attorney to be present and not consenting to a search. If the police are asking for your permission to search you, it almost certainly means that they don't have the legal right to search you to begin with, or they wouldn't need to ask. So if they're asking you, you can absolutely say, no, I don't give you permission to search me. I recommend doing it in an assertive but polite way, but absolutely do not give them permission to search you, because once you do, you can't go back and undo the fact that you've given them this consent. And once they have the consent, that evidence is going to come in against you, and there won't be much that an attorney can do to help you if you've given the police permission to search you. As soon as you're in a situation where the police are asking you for permission to search you or to ask you questions, you should absolutely request an attorney immediately, because saying "I want an attorney" is essentially a magic word that means that the police can no longer continue to investigate you and ask you questions without having your attorney present. And if they do, that evidence can be kept out if they later try to introduce it against you.